In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Brevo. First, let's get comfortable with the platform by logging into your Brevo account. If you're new to Brevo, it's a robust email marketing service that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for designing, managing, and sending out compelling email campaigns. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which gives you a snapshot of your recent activities and campaigns. Now, let's focus on finding your way to the right place. You'll want to navigate to the Campaigns section. Simply locate the Campaigns option on the main menu and then click on Templates. This is where all your email templates live and where you can manage existing ones or create new ones. When you're in the Templates section, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button that says Create Template. Click on this to start setting up a new template. You'll be directed to a page where you need to enter some basic information about your email. This includes the template name, which is for your own reference, and will help you identify it later. The subject line is what your recipients will see in their inboxes, so make sure it's catchy and gives a good hint about the content of your email. There's also an optional field for preview text, which offers an additional glimpse into the email's content. With that information filled out, move on to the next stage by clicking the Next Step button. This will bring you to a new page where you can choose how to build your email. Focus here on the tab that says Code Your Own. This option allows you to insert your custom HTML code. Click on Paste Your Code, which will open up an editor screen. Now is the time to bring in your HTML magic. Take the HTML code you've prepared for your email and paste it into the provided editor. It's always a good idea to give your code a once-over for any errors before pasting it in. Once your code is in place, the next logical step is to see how it looks, as what you code isn't always immediately how it might appear to recipients. So click on Preview and Test. This lets you see your email as your audience would, helping you catch any wayward elements or tweaks that need addressing. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your email, hit Save and Quit. This action retains your work and exits the editing interface. Finally, to make sure your email template is ready to be used or sent, click on Save and Activate. This makes your template active and available for campaigns. Remember, a well-prepared and visually appealing email can drastically improve engagement, so take the time to ensure everything is just right. Now, you're all set to get your campaign moving with Brevo's powerful tools.